Hello guys, Yomi here with Friend Adder Elite. Here to talk about the new Facebook Friend Adder Elite software. This is an automated friend management tool that is used to add friends on Facebook. You can send messages, you can send friend requests, you can poke friends or people that you know that aren't on your friends list yet. You can send messages on your friend's wall all through our management program, which helps you to do this in an automated fashion, and it's very, very simple to use. We made it very seamless, and we know that it'll be one of the tools that you'll use as your community grows on Facebook. Now, to get started, once you've installed the program, you'll go to Manage Accounts, and you will enter in your Facebook user ID, which is usually a email address, and you'll enter your password. Now, if you have multiple accounts with Facebook, or say like if you have a business or if you have a group, you can save them in Facebook Friend Adder Elite. That way you don't have to enter it in multiple times. So if I want to go into my profile that I want to enter in here, then I'll click in Log In, and Facebook Friend Adder Elite will now enter me in to my profile. And as you can see, I've entered my profile page, and now I'm going to show you how we're going to add friends, or at least gather IDs, so that we can send messages or send a wall poster or a poke. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now let's just say we want to start gathering IDs, so you'll click on the Gather ID tab, and just for demonstration purposes we're going to go into a group, and you click on Groups, and let's just say we want to find groups that are into scuba diving. We want to add friends from scuba diving. We have the same interest. You can be a scuba diver. It's most suggested that you add friends for people that you have common interest in, or you have something of common, so that way when they see your friend request, they can see that you have certain things in common. So I'm in the scuba diving group, and I want to add all these IDs here. Okay, so what you would do is you would import. You have a couple of options here. You can gather IDs from the current page only, which will only gather IDs from this page, or you can gather IDs from all the pages. And I usually gather IDs from all the pages. Then what you'll do now is you'll scroll down to Gather IDs, and as you can see, Facebook Friend Adder Elite starts to gather all the IDs, and it's going into the next page, and it's gathering all the IDs on that page as well. So as you can see, so far it has gathered 20 IDs, and it'll keep counting and adding IDs. Okay, so it's going to go through all the pages and gather all the IDs from the scuba diving group. Now you get the point here, so I'm going to stop that. So you have all your IDs here. Now the next thing you want to do is decide, do you want to send a friend request, do you want to send a message, do you want to poke? These IDs aren't your friends yet, so it wouldn't make sense to send them a message on their wall since you're not a friend yet. So let's just say you want to do a friend request. So you click on the import button to send all these IDs into the friend request tab. So we're going to click on import, and now it takes me into the friend request section. And as you can see, all the IDs have been imported already for me. I didn't have to copy and paste any of these IDs. It was all done through the Facebook Friend Adder Elite software. So now I just want to say something as, hello, I saw you're into scuba diving. Saw you're into scuba diving. I am too. What are the best places to scuba dive in the East Coast? Now, even though this is general, to the person looking at that, they may assume that it's geared directly towards them, yet I'm actually directing it towards all these IDs. Now, I'm showing here that I have an interest in scuba diving, and I'm querying them as to a place where they may have dived on the East Coast if they know a great place. So what this does is it makes it so that my message isn't a spam message, because we don't like spam and we don't like spamming people, especially on Facebook, because you will get your account deleted. You want to make sure if you use our software that you're using it with the intent purposes of acquiring friends, but acquiring friends with similar interests. And that's the best way to market if you're going to do any marketing online. So I put in my message, and we recommend that you start off with 40. 50 per day is the max you want to do. You don't want to do more than 50 because you'll set off the alarm with Facebook, and you don't want to anger them because you will get your account deleted, and that's not what you want to do. So we'll hit the start button, and it'll start sending friend requests. And as you can see, it's adding friends. And this is unprecedented. You don't have to do anything. Facebook Friend Adder Elite does all the work for you. And as you can see, so far it's sent 3 requests, and that number will keep tallying, and you can go about your business and do other things as it's sending friend requests. Now so far we're up to 5 requests. So you kind of get the message here, so I'm going to stop that. So that's about it in a nutshell. Basically this was just a brief tutorial showing how Facebook Friend Adder Elite can be used as an automated friend manager on Facebook. If you want more tutorials, you can go on the About tab and you click Want Video Tutorial, and you just click on this link here, and it'll take you to more in-depth video tutorials on how to use the Facebook Friend Adder Elite. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and if you're interested in getting the Facebook Friend Adder Elite program, just visit us at our website at www.friendadderelite.com. Thanks a lot, folks.